In this video, I'll show you how you can get your Elevenlabs API key absolutely for free. All you need to do is visit the official Elevenlabs website using the link I've shared in the description. Once you're there, you'll notice that you're automatically on the free plan, which gives you 10,000 free credits. To create your API key, go to the Developers option at the top. You'll find it just above the notification icon. Click on it, and then scroll down to the Quick Links section, where you'll see an option that says Create an API key. Click on that, and it will take you to the API key page. Now, to create a new API key, click on Create a Key. You'll be asked to give your key a name. For example, I'll name this one Demo1. Next, you'll see an option to either restrict or unrestrict your key. Elevenlabs recommends restricting your API key for better security because unrestricted keys are more likely to be misused if leaked, so it's always a good idea to keep it restricted. Under the restriction settings, you'll see an option for monthly credits. Here, you can limit how many credits your API key is allowed to use per month. For example, if you want the key to use only 1,000 credits monthly, just type 1,000 in the box. Below that, you'll see endpoints, where you can choose which features your API key can access. These include options like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and sound effects. Simply select the ones you want to allow for this particular key. Once you're done setting everything up, click on Create a Key. Your API key will now be generated. It's very important to note that this key will only be shown once, so make sure to copy it and save it somewhere safe, like in your notes or a notepad file. After you've copied it, you can close the window. And that's it. Your API key is now ready to use. You can also create multiple API keys if you want. To make a new one, just follow the same process again. If you ever need to disable a key temporarily, you can click on Disable, and it will stay inactive until you choose to enable it again. You can also edit your existing API key to change its settings or permissions, copy the key ID, or delete the key entirely if you no longer need it. If you ever run out of credits or want to increase your limit, you can upgrade your plan anytime. Elevenlabs offers a few different pricing plans, so you can pick one that fits your needs. And that's how you can create and manage your Elevenlabs API key completely for free. If you'd like to learn how to get your Comet or Perplexity API key as well, click on the video appearing on your screen.